Okay, hi everyone. In the past, I have done a video showing how to stop people from copywriting your stuff or how to remove people's video when they copy your video. But now YouTube has made a change and I want to show you that change. So this is actually the sixth video of this video that has over 1 million views that people keep on copying. So what happens is that what I do is I always go here, request video removal. I click on it and then this is where they show that this is the video that somebody has taken part of it. That's the channel right there. And all you have to just do is all you just have to do is put your name, yourself as self. Then the next thing is over here where it says removal timing of targeted video. I always do this schedule because I don't want the person to get a copyright strike. So I always do schedule, and then this is totally new. So what is this? By selecting this option, copies of removed video will be automatically prevented from being uploaded to YouTube. So YouTube's copyright match tool will additionally search for and display any new uploads that are potential copies of the removed video. Please note you will be required to review these potential copies before submitting additional takedown notice when you determine unauthorized use. So now this is a good option. So just remember to click this and then it tells you that, okay, are you sure that you are the real owner, blah, blah, blah. And I always click it. Then I click all these legal requirements and I put my name as signature, my full legal name. So I hope this helps you. Let's keep on doing all that we can to keep people from copying our videos and making money off of our videos that we have put so much hard work to do. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.